Okay, this is just a short video, but we're looking at the damage done by the underground fiber optic cables that were put in this year. Damage to the property, damage to the grounds, plants, trees, and my understanding is that they were supposed to be cleaning this up and repairing it by mid-October. Well, we're mid-October now, so this is still untouched and unrepaired. So this is the damages that have been caused by the Ultimate Underground, or whatever their name is. They damaged our bushes, our trees, and our grounds. Now, regardless if this is the easement for the municipality, we are the ones that have kept this up and pay taxes on it. So I would ask that this is looked at and repaired at the earliest possible convenience. Because if we have to do this ourselves, then we will be charging the municipality for the costs and labor involved. This is 69148.